boys choose agriculture development as a startup. Agriculture is not in our hands. Based on water, temperature, rain and seeds density, the farmer does not get much profit for his life and is spending time and suffering. The children of daughters are becoming daughters. The children of engineers are becoming engineers. The children of traders are becoming traders. And why the children of farmers not becoming farmers? If India want to stand number one country in the world in the next 10 years, if GDP is to increase even more than the America and China, Aadhaar will be linked and encourage the youth to choose provision of agriculture development and subsidy of 10 lakhs rupees health and life benefit scheme, free electricity for agriculture research center and 25 liters of free petrol for agriculture and various schemes based on technology. Every Rabi, Kharif, Zaid season, a certificate is provided at the village level and based on the grade of the certificate and it is linked to the all government jobs at the state level and central level. Those marks given priority and everyone should turn their attention into agriculture development. We want them to make their lifetime is useful to this country. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Skillpundit Official.